The 2009 Mazda 3. A 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, rear window defroster, brake assist, tachometer, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.